Today I'm going to show you how to automate meme coin trading across multiple different platforms like BullX, Photon and GMGN using the new AI sniper feature from Autosnipe. I've made a few videos on this in the past, but it's had some major updates recently. So let me show you how to set up a sniper and then we'll go over all the new features as we go. If you're not signed up to Autosnipe yet, go ahead and do so using my link in the pinned comment for 10% off your trading fees. Alright, here we are on the Autosnipe platform. So to create a sniper, we'll want to go over to the AI sniper tab over at the side here. Once you're here, we've got a few options. You can either choose one of the preset snipers, low risk new tokens, top 24-hour trending, high risk new tokens, 5-minute trending. Those are all preset options, but as you can see, I have also created a lot of my own snipers. I would personally recommend customizing your own sniper settings. To do that, we just click this Create Sniper button. First of all, you'll need to select a target website. You can use either Autosnipe itself, or we can now choose GMGN, Photon, BullX, or BullX Neo. For the sake of this video, I'm going to go for GMGN. Once we've chosen our target website, we can choose our target list from that website. For example, the trending page, new pairs, next blue chip. For this video, let's go for the trending page on the 1 hour time frame. Now we get to choose our filter settings based on the filters that are available on our target website. We're on GMGN here, but if you're on BullX, for example, then you'd get the BullX filters. Alright, first we need to give this sniper a name. Next, we can choose to include either pump.fun, native Raydium tokens, or both. We can then set a minimum volume. I'm going to leave that on 50,000 for now. Our minimum LP burn percentage, I tend to put this at 99%. The max top 10 holder percentage, I'm going to leave that at 20% for now. Next, we got the minimum market cap. I'm just going to leave that on the default 60,000 for now. The minimum holder count, default is 100. That sounds good enough to me. Minimum current liquidity, 50,000, I think will do nicely. The minimum blue chip percentage, this is the percentage of holders who also hold blue chip tokens, which are basically just the top tokens on Solana. This is often quite a good way of knowing if a token's likely to be genuine or not. If you see this at 0, then it's quite likely a dev is just farming. Down here we've got a few other checks, like if Dex Screener is paid, if the dev has sold, mint authority, freeze authority. You can filter for only community takeovers, or tokens with at least one social link. We've also got a few advanced options down here. Minimum swaps, minimum buy count, minimum initial liquidity, minimum sell count, minimum price change percentage within a certain time frame, and finally the max insider holdings percentage. I'm just going to put that at 5% for now maybe. Alright, now over here we can see how many tokens on our chosen list currently match the filters we set, and we can also see how many tokens were filtered out based on each specific filter. Also, just to be clear guys, these are completely random settings. I'm not recommending that you use these settings at all. This is just an example to give you an idea of the filters available to us. Alright, now let's click continue. This brings us up the activation page. Down here you can review all of your filters, and then over on the right here we can now activate our sniper. First of all, choosing the total amount we want to invest, like 5 sol for example. Then we can choose our buy amount per order. Keep in mind if you choose a low buy amount per order, you might end up losing out on fees overall. I've actually done a full video talking about Autosnipe fees, which I'll link at the end of this one. Anyway, you can also set a stop loss trigger if you like, say maybe 50% for example. Your expiry time, this is just how long you want the sniper to run for. Down here you can set the priority fees. By default this is set to AI Bullet, which uses AI to automatically choose the best fees with the lowest slippage based on the current market conditions. I've found this generally works pretty well. If you ever want to view what the current AI Bullet fee is, you can hover over this little information icon here. Or of course you can choose a different preset or a custom fee if you prefer. Alright, finally your sell strategy. Now this is one of the most important settings that will determine whether you're profitable or not, and it's going to be different for everyone depending on the amount you're trading per order and all your other settings. For the vast majority of people, I would not recommend using these default settings. The reason being that you pay the priority fee for every transaction you make, so if you have loads of sell targets then that can really eat into your overall profit. So you just want to be careful of that and make sure you're properly taking your fees into account when choosing your strategy. I would recommend that you go ahead and remove all of these first. then we can set it up ourselves. For example, if you wanted to sell 50% of your holdings at a 100% profit, you would put 50 in here, and then you would put 100 over here. Then if you wanted to sell the remaining 50% at a 200% profit, for example, you would need to add another exit and then put in 50% at 200%. Again, just to be clear, these are completely random numbers. You ultimately need to decide on your own settings which you think will be profitable based on the amount that you're investing. Anyway, if we click Activate Sniper down here, that will now start trading for us automatically based on our settings. If you want to view and manage your holdings, you can do that over in the Holdings tab here. Obviously, we don't have any holdings yet, but that is where you will manage them when you do. Again, if you haven't already, you can sign up to Autosnipe using my link in the pinned comment for 10% off your trading fees. Also, I highly recommend checking out this video I did on Autosnipe trading fees. Be sure to like and subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss the next one. With all that said, I've been me, you've been you. Thanks for watching, and see you later.